Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Spicetify on your Spotify desktop. This simply means customizing the look of your Spotify. Let's get started. Do not use the Microsoft Store version, as Spicetify works with the standard desktop installer. Before we download the Spotify desktop installer version, let's uninstall the store version first. Search for Spotify and click on Uninstall to remove it. Now go to your preferred browser, copy the Spotify link in the description to your browser, and paste it. Double-click to open the installer and click on Run to continue. Wait till the installer finishes. Now log in to Spotify if you already have an account. If you don't, just sign up with your Google account. Now continue to the app. Now go to your browser and search for Spicetify. Click on Get Started. If you're using Windows, simply copy the prompt here, and if you're using Mac OS or Linux, you can switch and copy from there also. Now open PowerShell Normal User, not Administrator. Copy and paste this command from the description. When prompted, type Y and click Enter to install the marketplace. After installation finishes, Spotify should launch automatically. You should see the marketplace icon in Spotify. Now let's go back to Spotify and open Marketplace. You'll see categories like extensions, themes, snippets, apps, and installed. Search for APPDATA. Click Install. Click Reload Now when prompted. What it does? Removes banner ads in the Spotify interface. Makes Spotify look much cleaner. It does not unlock Spotify premium features or legally remove audio ads. You can install some nice themes to change the interface. If you want to switch between themes, go to Installed. Select another theme. Click Apply, Spotify reloads. No need to reinstall each time. You can download some cool apps too. Let's go back and install some cool theme. I find this theme nice, so I'll download it and check out how it looks. I'm going to play some music and see how it appears. If you want to uninstall Spicetify, go to your browser and copy this command. Click on Uninstall. I'll leave this command in the video description down below. Copy the command. Close Spotify. Click on Start and search for PowerShell. Paste the uninstall command here and press Enter to run it. Now Spotify will open and Marketplace will be uninstalled. That's how easy it is to customize Spotify using Spicetify. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe and like. Catch you on the next video.